today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this cute bubble pony using braiding hair. This would be perfect for festival season. Let me show you what it looks like. So I have a pink going to a purple ombre. And then you can see my hair actually ends there, and then the rest of this is the braiding hair. So this look is perfect for people who want to get that Dutch braid look but don't actually know how to Dutch braid. This is way easier, trust me. This took me like 10 minutes to do for both of these pigtails, so it's super easy. And this works if you have short hair too. As long as your hair is at least up to here, you can kind of put your hair in a low pigtail. You can use this method to add length to your hair, so it still works even if you have shorter hair. And if you guys are new here, hi, I'm Jana, welcome to my channel. I make tons of hair videos using wigs and hair extensions, so if you want to learn some tips and tricks, please subscribe. And anyway, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so I've already done one side, and then now I'm going to do the other side. Let's see if I can get them to match, but I'll show you how I do it. So obviously you've already sectioned your hair off in half, and then think of this part as like a little square. And then you're gonna section this off in a diagonal, so you're gonna cut the corner of that square. So here's the square, and then section it into a little diagonal piece. Diagonal section, I should say. And then your braiding hair is gonna go in the middle of here. So you're gonna sandwich it between, this is the front part, and then section off the back part as well. Okay. Alright, so this is the front part of the sandwich and the back part of the sandwich. And I'm just gonna clip this out of the way so it doesn't really get in my way, and then let that hang. Okay, and then we're gonna get our braiding hair. So just fold it in the middle here. So just hold it in the middle, and then the two ends. And then just place the middle of the braiding hair right in between those two sections we just made, right? Okay, so then this is going to be the front part that holds it. Sorry that you can't see my face right now, but I can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, and then so your braiding hair is going to hold in the middle of these two pieces of hair. And I'm just trying to line it up so it kind of, you know, matches the other side. And I think that's pretty good. And get like a little clear elastic. And then tie that in place. And then we can just flip the braiding hair over. So that was pretty much the hardest part, I would say. And then from here on out, it's pretty simple. You just take section by section and then create your little bubbles. So this is gonna be the first bubble here. And then get a section from the top as well. And then hold that piece and tie it with an elastic. And then you want to pull it a little bit tight, but not too tight so you don't break your hair elastic. All right, and then we'll move on to the next bubble. So just take another section of hair. And then the back can be kind of tricky, but honestly, the beautiful thing about this is it doesn't have to be perfect. It can be kind of messy and it'll still look good. And even if they're both a little uneven, honestly, it's a look. And then pull that tight, and I'm just trying to feel like it's kind of even. Let's see if I have another section in me. Okay, and then the last one, you just kind of tie your hair like you would a pigtail. So you just gather all the rest of your hair and then tie another elastic. And then once you have your ponytail in place, you just finish off the rest of the hair by tying little elastics one after the other to finish off your bubbles. And then once you've tied all your elastics in place, you can start to kind of fluff out your bubbles a little bit. So start from the bottom and just pull them out just a bit. Kind of create a little bit more volume and a little bit more of that, you know, messy look. Alright, so once you've finished fluffing up your bubbles to your liking and they're kind of even looking, that's pretty much the look, you guys. It's super quick and easy. That took me less than 10 minutes to do. So let me know in the comments down below if you would try this look this festival season. And please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!